Dude. Wait. Okay. Yeah, fuck it. Somebody didn't even have to find him. Holy fuck, that's so funny. Just like, shit, somebody beat me to it, you know? Oh, that's a metal detector. Oven, freezer. How do I get a mug, though? That's so funny. I love that I just walk up, I hear, oh shit, somebody's getting beat up. Oh, cool. I was gonna do that, but you know what? I'm glad somebody else did it. You think if I beat up Duggery... Did he just say I used to be homeless? Dude, why is everything this guy says, I feel bad that I beat the fuck out of him earlier? Oh my god. What is he gonna say? I used to... Say I used to hear... Do you enjoy beating? Yeah, I do. Sheet of metal. I don't want that. Grapple head. Crowbar duct tape. Wait, hold on. One of these fuckers is selling a crowbar. Dude, I'm sorry. What are the... Officer Ralph. Take the mace, bro? I didn't see a mace. Are you sure? Fuck, I need the crowbar. I just beat him up? He woke up? Yeah, Fuck it, I'm trying. No, I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. Somebody help! 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 Okay, now me and Ralph are chill. I thought it said oil up Puggles. Like, damn, that's crazy. Take his fucking treadmill. I didn't actually see. No, it said oi Puggles, not oil up Puggles. Just to clarify in case anyone's confused. Ouch, my eyes. I can beat up Danny. I don't want to though, because Tony just said one day I'll have a real job. Do you think, like, if I be nice enough to these people, I'll get on their good side? Took your dental floss. What are you gonna do about it? What was one of them with dental floss? Cutting floss. Cool. Mug chocolate lighter. Still need a mug though. How do I get a mug? Dude, I gotta fight some cops. I don't want to lose though. Maybe I like third party. Hold on, what was the beat up Duggery? Oh, that one's easy. There he is. That's fucked up. That's like really mean. I have an idea. I take his weapon. Wait for him to wake up. Why does Danny have 2 fucking teddy bears? Why is this lore accurate, Danny? I take his knife. I'm gonna give this to you. There you go. And since he doesn't have a weapon, I go back in and beat the fuck out of him.